Hello, good morning, Blue Restaurant. I'm Mylene. How may I help you?
I would like to make table reservation, please.
Certainly, ma'am. May I please to know who am I speaking to?
Miss Olivia Datu.
Miss Olivia Dato, should I make the table restaurant in your name?
Yes, please.
When do you want to make the reservation, ma'am?
For tonight.
For how many people, ma'am Olivia?
For 2 people.
At what time, Miss Olivia?
At 9 p.m.
Would you like a smoking or non-smoking area?
A non-smoking area, please.
May I repeat your table booking, ma'am?
Okay.
Ma'am, you are having a table reservation at 9 p.m. for 2 persons in non-smoking area under your name, Miss Olivia.
Yes, you're right.
Miss Olivia, your table reservation has been made. Thank you for calling Blue Restaurant. We look forward in welcoming you. Good morning, ma'am. Welcome to Blue Restaurant. May I know if you have a reservation under your name?
Yes, I have reservation under Olivia Datu.
Yes, ma'am. Your table is ready. This way, ma'am. This is your table napkin, ma'am.
Yes, please.
This is our menu, ma'am. This is your choices for appetizers, soups, salad, entries, and main dishes. Excuse me, ma'am. May I fill your glass with distilled water?
Yes, please.
Excuse me, ma'am. Are you ready to place your order?
Yes, may I have 2 chicken parmesan and beef enchiladas?
Okay, ma'am. Would that be all, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. May I repeat your orders? For your appetizer, 2 order of chicken parmesans. For your main dish, 2 beef enchiladas. Excuse me, ma'am. Here's your appetizer. Enjoy your appetizer, ma'am. Thank you. Excuse me, ma'am. Are you done with your appetizer?
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Here is your main course. Enjoy your main course, ma'am.
Thank you.
Are you done with your dishes, ma'am?
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay. Excuse me, can I get the bill?
Okay, just for a moment, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Here's your bill.
Here's my card.
I receive a debit card. I'll be back to verify your card, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. May I ask for your signature sheet? Thank you, ma'am. Here's your debit card. Thank you for dining with us, ma'am. Bye.